Mumbai witnessed two brutal gang rapes in the heart of the city just last year. And now, 7 months later, a Mumbai Sessions Court yesterday convicted 5 brutes accused in both the cases. As the prosecution seeks harsh punishment for the rapists, the court is all set to pronounce the quantum of punishment later on in the day.
7 months back, the anger spilled on the streets of Mumbai, with protests against two heinous gang rapes in a city mill. Now finally, the Mumbai Sessions Court has convicted these 5 accused and is set to pronounce the quantum of punishment today.
While the prosecution in the Shakti Mill gang rape case is not revealing much about the strategy, whether they will be asking for the capital punishment for all the 5 convicts, one thing's quite clear, that even if the prosecution does not seek the capital punishment, they will certainly be pushing for the maximum punishment.
In July last year, first a 19-year-old telecom operator was gang raped in this abandoned mill. And just after a month, the same 3 accused dared to gang rape a 23-year-old photojournalist, shocking the entire nation.
So much of criticism was there of Maharashtra government, so they managed to get one rape case judgment come. So what about the others? Why don't they put every single crime against women cases through the fast track courts? Are those not women? Don't they deliver, kind of expect justice to be delivered?
Interestingly, the Maharashtra government has termed this as one of the fastest trials.
अत्यंत कम समय में चार्जशीट दर्ज किया गया था और रोज सुनावनी करके बहुत कम समय में आज जजमेंट भी आया है। मुंबई शहर महिलाओं के लिए पूरे देश में एक सबसे सुरक्षित शहर माना जाता है।
The bigger question, however, remains of women still being vulnerable in our cities.
Honestly, I don't think so. They still feel safer. And in fact, the only thing that has been brought about is the awareness about the safety of the women.
Like Nirbhaya's case, now debate has also sparked off about the juvenile justice system, with the 2 juvenile accused in Mumbai gang rape case yet to be punished.
Trial has to happen according to the due process of law is the fact that if you have on a regular course, not sporadically 1 or 2 cases, if you have on a regular course fast track courts and courts which expedite trials and convictions happen, that does send down a message in society.
But even as the victims of the 2 brutal gang rapes in Mumbai are hoping to get justice, the Session Court's quantum of punishment is eagerly awaited. Bureau Report, Times Now.